The teacher is outside the compound teaching using voice and write on blackboard. Masaka 29th this month, Mr. President is coming to your side. I have the right to fight for my country. Nothing you can do to change my mind. Okay? Uganda is my motherland, and I am proud to be a Ugandan. Vote. On the 15th of January 2026, vote for the umbrella so that our political prisoners can come out. 15th January 2026, please bring your grandma and your grandpa to vote. Umbrella, help them. Until 15th January 2026, people of Uganda, don't trust BYABAKAMA'S pen. On 15th January 2026, Uganda Police and Army, please let us vote in peace. On 15th January 2026, Ugandans, leave your tribe inside your house, come out as a Ugandan. On 15th January 2026, Ugandans, let us fight together as brothers and sisters. On 15th January 2026, Uganda teachers vote umbrella for better salary. Big duty. Please write on the blackboard, vote KYAGULANYI SENTAMU Robert for President of Uganda on 15th January 2026.